this is Scott with Team Houdini. Tonight we are at Infernum in Terra in West Virginia. Got Ray and Mark with me. We're gonna go through. This is our 5th season. We always enjoy coming here. It's our 5th season too. 5 years, over 100 reviews. So kicking off the season here with Infernum. We always enjoy it. It is our opening night, but hopefully it's a good show. I'm sure it will be. We always, like I said, have fun here, and we'll let you know what we think. Coming. I fell down the steps. That'd be great.
I hear something.
Yeah.
You have to go in.
Oh, go in.
Go in the door.
We can't follow directions well. All right. Going inside.
You have arrived on a very fortuitous evening, my friends. See, tonight, as was foretold in the Necronomicon, the stars are right, and the gates to hell could be open. Also, look out for death from above, children! Here comes my buddy legs! You boys just head on through the curtain there and follow the rules, and you'll be just fine, okay?
We have to go through
Yeah,
this.
All right, it's pretty dark. I like it.
Don't forget the fence!
Get against the board!
One of you has to tell me a secret before you get through. A secret for a secret! Who wants to go?
Ray, what's your secret?
I don't have no secret.
One of you has to do it! Do it now!
The confessional booth.
Anything in the booth!
In the booth. Get in there with her, Mark. Come
In the
on.
booth!
Okay.
What's your secret?
I don't have no secrets.
You gotta give me one! Anything!
How about I'm not wearing any socks?
That's a pretty secret. Like I said, a secret for a secret. Now my secret is stay away from Barbara.
Stay away from Barbara.
Get going! Run along now!
Hola, I'm Barbara. I'm a doll, of course.
You're a doll, of course. You have a big collection of dolls and toys.
They're my friends. They're not toys.
They're your friends?
I'm a doll.
Oh, I get it. I guess we go through this door. There's literally nothing in this door.
I think you can go that way.
The doll's watching us. Ray, find it in 5 seconds.
I don't know. Come on.
We're not very bright. Ray, how about you lead the way for a little? He's got a toilet brush. He's cleaning himself. Brushing your teeth.
I don't brush my teeth. I'd like to show you all something.
That?
Oh, yes. I came out of here. He's a friend of mine. I don't consider him a friend anymore. And now he's gonna get flushed. Up, down.
I'm getting wet.
Are you? That's what she said.
I think it's the toilet.
What's that toilet now? Get on.
Oh, yeah.
This way. This way.
It's a tight squeeze.
It's tight.
It's a tight fit. Big guys. Watch out for the body bags.
Body bag. Put him in a body bag.
There's other various body parts.
What we got?
You are my best friend. What are you doing here?
What happened to her?
She was too loud. You!
Yeah.
You hear anything coming from her?
Nah, she's pretty quiet.
It's because she's dead. So you like him. You want to be my friend?
Sure.
Sure.
No.
That's a bad idea, I feel. She got that nice bag on her face. Whoa!
Yeah,
That got me.
got me too. Spinning laser.
You missed me!
Oh, I missed you.
We missed you.
Yes!
Yeah. Some creepy sound
Cool
effects.
strobe effect.
Squishing noises.
I Say him again?
He's everywhere.
I know you messed with me, didn't you?
You're making us go in the coffin?
Yeah.
There's already someone in here.
That's it. Well, they got plenty of room.
Get low.
Get low on that coffin.
Get low. Oh. I like your pet. She's got a nice pet rat. She's got a couple of them. This one's angry. Ooh. Pufferfish. Watch your head. Get low.
Ow.
There's a cool like effect of like water almost.
Ow.
You okay?
No, I hit my head. Low. Yeah, I just hit my head too.
It's a two-headed rat over here.
Yeah.
Two-headed
I
rat.
remember that.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't see that. Woo! Welcome to Grandma's cabin. I know she looks a little old, but don't judge. She's alright. What makes your way all the way over here? Middle of the woods for no reason.
I'm looking for Grandma.
Passing by?
Yeah.
She made cookies yesterday. I hate to say it.
Did you eat them all?
No, not me. But go
Yeah.
ahead on your spooky way through hell.
All right.
Have fun, gentlemen, and heads up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Mark, what's coming in your closet?
That got me. Looks like there's some symbols over here. I don't know what they mean. That sounds lovely.
That's amazing. That sounds beautiful.
We're in church.
Take me to church.
You'll burn! I can see you from far away, my children. But my God's eyes are everywhere.
Your eyes are in your hands.
This was once a holy place, full of light and joy. Now there's only ash and sorrow. Are you prepared? Yeah.
Yes.
Then let us begin your descent. Down the stairs and through the
Descent.
door. Your enlightenment awaits.
Down the stairs and through the door. You heard the man.
He slammed the door on me.
That wasn't very
going
nice of him.
downstairs.
I like that.
That was cool.
That costume was cool.
Welcome to hell. Are you scared yet? Leaving so soon? I don't think so. Why don't
Elmo.
you just stay for a little longer? You could end up like him.
Oh man, that got me.
Which one of you guys wants to go first? No takers?
You can go.
Here.
Oh, me?
You know how to play rock, paper, scissors. It's pretty easy,
Yeah.
right? If
Yeah.
I win,
Okay.
you stay in the front for the rest of the time you're here.
Okay. Okay. One turn, one game.
Yes.
Okay.
If you win,
Yes.
I'll show you a way out.
Okay. I'm gonna try. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, nice, Mark.
I actually won.
This way.
Well done.
I'll still go first.
This may or may not be your exit. You'll find out.
Okay. Am I gonna die?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. There's something not good in here. Climb up the walls.
Holler.
It's a clown in there.
Yeah, there is a clown in there. What a scream. Yeah.
There's webs all over the place.
Oh, yeah. Spiders! Spiders!
They're saving him for later.
Man, this is tight. This ain't made for plus-size men like ourselves. Oh, that's cool.
There's the king spider.
Yeah, I like him.
I thought that was real. It actually might be.
Yourselves, have you truly been to hell? You see, I think hell is standing there and staring in the eyes of someone you thought you could trust while you burn to death. So that being said, look amongst yourself and see if you can truly trust each other, as demons have a way of sneaking into your brains. I am Anathema. I am the demon princess you summoned here this eve, so I thank you for that. Did you enjoy your time with my demons?
We did.
Yes.
I'm certain they didn't leave you that tattered.
A little.
Oh, a little? Well, that's
Yes.
good. A little tattered is doable, yes. Well, this is the part of the night where if you think you're smart enough to...
Excite?
Exit! Do you not know how to read?
I thought it was the excite sign. I
Oh,
thought,
it
like,
is the excite side.
Excite.
I think you're missing a C there, possibly. Spelling is not my strong suit.
yeah, mine either.
But if you can, you may!
Okay.
Yay! Not yay!
I thought we was excited.
Oh, no, it's exit, not excite. We've established he doesn't know how to read.
We are
Hearing screams
We are
from the
hearing
outside.
screams. Yeah, we just came out of Infernum and Terra, and besides West Virginia being scary, Infernum is as well. Like we said, it was opening night, a little lighter staff. We still kind of a decent amount, and the ones that were in there did a good job of covering multiple rules. What do you think, Mark? Anything you want to say?
A lot of good dialogue, a lot of good improv, I have to say.
As usual, they have their custom special effects and props that look great, and
Yeah, a lot of good costumes as well. Very interesting
I would
characters.
say, thinking of previous years, that there was a improvement there. But yeah, good time. Hopefully things pick up, and we'll see you in the next haunt. Stay spooky.